Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, we're tackling the frustrating issue of how to fix cursor disappears in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech troubleshooting tips. Step 1. Restart your computer. If your cursor disappears, the quickest fix is often a restart. To do this without a visible cursor, press Windows plus D to go to the desktop. Then type Alternate plus F4 to access shutdown options. Choose Restart and let your PC reboot. Step 2. Check for updates through Windows Update. Ensure your Windows system is up to date, as updates can resolve cursor issues. Type Check for Updates in the search bar and follow the prompts to install any available updates from Microsoft. Step 3. Run the built-in device troubleshooter. To troubleshoot hardware issues without a cursor, press Windows plus R to open the Run box. Then type this command and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to diagnose and potentially fix any hardware-related problems. Step 4. Uninstall and reinstall the mouse or touchpad driver. If the issue persists, reinstalling the mouse or touchpad driver can help. Here's how. Open Device Manager by right-click on Start button, then select it. Navigate to Mice and other pointing devices. Expand the menu and select your mouse. Right-click on it, choose an install device, then restart your computer to automatically reinstall the driver. And that's it. We hope this guide resolved your cursor disappearing issue. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech solutions.